Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and welcome back to my channel. So, is the AI hype slowing down? Are companies slowly realizing they need humans in the loop? That is, they need humans to work along with AI agents to get work done. Let's try to understand the current state in today's video. I'll also walk you through some recent incidents that are definitely interesting to understand. Let's get started. Let's start with the most obvious thing that explains us the current state. Today, every new model launch is no longer an announcement. In fact, the recent model launched by Anthropic, Fable 5, it was redeployed, but still it could not grab the required attention, at least from Anthropic point of view. Why? Because today we all realized the existing models are good enough to perform the regular coding tasks. But last year, whether it is a Claude model or the open models like Llama, Quen models, everything was a big announcement and everything grabbed attention. Once again, today, the existing models, it can be Opus 4.8, GPT 5.5, they are very good for regular coding activities. In fact, they can help you design, they can help you review the code, they can help you write the code. So, most obviously, why do you need a better model? Of course, until it's solving a much bigger problem, the existing models are good for you. That is exactly what we are seeing in the current state. So basically, what I'm trying to say, now the question moved from which is the best model to how to use the existing models better within the enterprise, how to implement RAG, how to implement MCP, skills. So basically, how to use the existing models to get the work done. That is the big question today. And that is the state that we are currently in. But Abhishek, is it good for software engineers? Definitely yes. Because today, enterprise companies are caring about AI orchestration, RAG pipelines. You'll not believe there are opportunities for RAG engineers, engineers who are responsible for building retrieval augmented generation pipelines, engineers who are responsible for AI infrastructure. This is becoming more and more common in the companies today. So you will see more engineers who are going to work along with AI agents, and companies are going to hire these engineers. If the existing engineers are working in traditional development role, you will see them moving to these roles. But Abhishek, what about new opportunities for DevOps and SRE engineers? Again, the answer is yes. Today, enterprise companies have realized the importance of AI observability, AI SRE, cost optimization in the world of AI, whether it is for using AI effectively or it is also for AI inference. That is basically using AI in production. In both of these cases, cost optimization has also become very important. And all of this will be taken care by DevOps and SRE engineers. So whether you are a traditional software engineer like developer or you are into DevOps and SRE roles, we are going to see more opportunities in the future. On top of all this, there is a new role that is gaining a lot of popularity, FDE, forward deployed engineers. So there will be more opportunities in this domain as well for software engineers. You don't agree with me? See this announcement from Microsoft. Just yesterday, Microsoft announced they are going to invest $2.5 billion in their new company, where they are going to hire 6,000 FDE engineers, forward deployed engineers. What exactly these engineers do? Basically, they'll be deployed to the customer location by Microsoft. They will educate the customers on Microsoft AI solutions, and they will help the customers get their applications to production or deploy their AI agents using the Microsoft AI solutions. That's it. Now, this is something that any software engineer can do. Of course, you need some learning, but what I'm trying to say, there will be more opportunities for software engineers in the future because companies like Microsoft, who extensively work with OpenAI, even they realized we have reached to a point in AI. We are doing very good with AI. Now we need someone, a human in the loop, who can help the customers, who can help the clients understand these AI solutions and help their applications or AI agents to be deployed in the production using these AI solutions. Perfect. So basically, we hit the peak point in AI. Now the curve is flat. Maybe in the future, we might hit a new peak or we might hit a new high. But at least for the next few years, we might be seeing that flat line in the world of AI. So this is the right opportunity. Of course, previously when the AI curve was significantly going high, a lot of people were demotivated, a lot of people had to go through termination in the companies, layoffs in the companies. But personally, I feel next few years will be a flat line. There might not be any significantly high development in the new models because the existing models can do a lot of things for us. So we have time until these companies figure out what is the new peak in the world of AI or what is the new high in the world of AI. Now, I'm not just saying these things in the air. You can see the recent Claude Fable 5 model, which was launched few days back. I mean, redeployed few days back. What exactly happened? Today, Fable 5 is almost similar to Opus 4.8. It can be because of government restrictions or it can be because of their guardrails, their classifier. But for the end users, the model is almost the same. Perfect. So, this is my message. Learn how to use AI, learn how to use it as part of your day to day activities, and make the best use of this time. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section. I know a lot of you would be interested for AI DevOps series, how existing DevOps engineers can upskill themselves to AI DevOps engineers. I'm going to make that series very soon. I'll share the updates as well. Apart from that, if you have any other questions or if you disagree with my view, do let me know in the comment section. I'm open for a chat. See you all in the next video. Take care.